Yo, what's up guys? In this tutorial we will learn how to make these really cool looking smoke circle burst animations in After Effects. And yeah, they are super simple and we just need one effect, one shape, and yeah, I'd say let's just go. So let's make a new composition and let's just add a background real quick. But yeah, okay, so the most important thing is to add a shape layer and open this up. Go to add and add an ellipse path, and yeah, we will animate this one now. So let's go to the beginning of our animation and yeah, open this up and bring the size down to 0 and just place a keyframe and then go forward to like 1.5 seconds and just bring this up to whatever you like. And yeah, but now we can't see anything, so we have to add a stroke as well. So just go to add again and add a stroke and bring the size up to something like 50 maybe. Yeah, this looks good. Maybe even bigger, 75. Let's try this. And yeah, this looks cool. But as we see, this is really slow and doesn't look like an explosion at all. So let's change this real quick. So let's go to the size and click on it and also activate the graph editor with this setting. And click on the size again and make sure to press the easy ease button down here. And let's just select the first keyframe and bring this up. And yeah, now this will start really fast and then slow down just like an explosion. And yeah, this is already really cool, but of course it just stays and we don't want that. So let's animate the stroke as well. So let's go to the start again and place a keyframe, just like how big we want it to be, and then just go right before the end, not exactly to the end, but somewhere in here, and just put this to 0. And now we can see this looks really good, but it doesn't look like smoke at all. So we need one more crucial effect, which is the roughen edges effect. And yeah, we can just apply this, and as we can see, it gets a bit more interesting. And yeah, now let's play with the settings. So let's increase the border setting by a lot. And as we can see, this gets interesting, but also kind of blurry, and we don't want that. So let's also increase the edge sharpness just until yeah, it's not blurry again. So in this case, something like 5. And yeah, this is cool. But yeah, let's also increase the scale a bit. And now we can see, yeah, this looks really cool. So just find a nice setting, and yeah, as this goes on, it will just disappear into these small smoke particles. And yeah, that's already it. Thanks for watching. Of course, you can just give it other colors or other settings in here if you want it to be more complex or whatever. But I think this looks good. And yeah, thanks for watching. See you next time.